Kapampangan!
Hello Kapampangan! Have you ever wondered what will be the outcome if you put 6 first-year CTHM students in one group, away from their family, in an unfamiliar place for most of them overnight? Well, let's find out. So recently we had our immersion tour at Pampanga and we did learn a lot of stuff. We experienced and learned about their culture, histories, and traditions. We also got the chance to experience some services like their transportations, accommodations, food and beverages, recreational activities, and more. During the seminar, the speakers also taught us the purpose of different departments in the hotel and they gave us an idea about our future careers. So what are you waiting for? Sit back, relax, grab some popcorns, and together, let's explore the beauty of Pampanga.
Hello po! It's currently 5:14. Nakita na namin yung bus namin. Kami po pala yung may mali. Sorry. Ayan na. Yellow bus, yellow number
1. Cultural treasure.
Makikita niyo po kung bakit naging siyang sunken church.
Sana may sisig. Sana may dinuguan. Sana may sisig tsaka halo-halo na may sinama ng ice. Sana ma-craving satisfied ako. Parang hindi na ako makain kasi sobrang dami tsaka sobrang sarap. Masarap siya, kaya dadali ko siya sa bag. Hanggang sa hotel. Ano favorite? Yung favorite ko yung embalsamo.
Yung embalsamo yung ensalada.
Maging nilaga.
Bulalo, sinigang, lahat.
Hotpot.
Ng puso ko di mapakali. Ay, ikaw, ikaw, ang sinisigaw ng puso ko sana'y mapansin.
Turns out!
Akala kong lipstick.
Tapos na.
Section 2.
Hi guys! Nasa hot spring na kami. Hindi pa pala.
On the way sa hot spring.
Yes. Hi people! Say hi to the vlog!
Kaya na naman si Thea. Ikaw din, sunod ka.
Airport. And baggage ko.
Last stop, Holy Rosary Parish Church.
Currently, bumibili po ng pasalubong. Kailangan ko makahanap ng fridge magnet kasi papagalitan ako ni Mama. Paalis na ng Pampanga.